Okay, so this is the file we have created yesterday. Now we are going to work on next example that will be of something like this. Suppose in large monitor, these menus are coming like this. Is okay, is able to manage because the screen size is big size. If it is a small size, a small screen, what will happen? These menus are coming like this. Coming down, these contents are little here there. So what you have to do, we need to create a page in such a way that should fit properly in the mobile phone also, and that should fit proper in the laptop also. So we are going to use a property called media query. Media query. Okay, so create the next file. In the same, give the file name called template 8. You can give the name template 8.html. Okay, template 8. Under template 8, HTML start from. Here you write, follow the style. Use the body tag. Now right here, H1 CSS3 media query example. CSS3 media query example. First write for body tag. For body tag, write background sky blue. Background sky blue. So once you run the page, background color will come, body background will come in sky blue. Body background will come in sky blue. See, coming in sky blue. Body background will be sky blue. Next, after that, if a person will open your page in mobile phone, it should become like as a mobile. A person will open in the tab, the page should convert like as a tab. A person will open in the laptop, page should work like as a laptop. So first test it, whether it is going to happen or not. So right here, for media query, QUE, media query, it used to find a screen, not a screen, window width, user computer window width. It used to find user computer window width. Which one? Media query. Like suppose a person has opened your page in the laptop. What is the screen size of his computer? A person will open a page in the mobile phone. CSS will find out what is the screen size of his device. Anyone, or maybe one person only using the three device, mobile, tab and laptop. Same page he will open in the mobile. CSS will track, yes, it is the mobile phone. Same page he will open in the tab, CSS will track, yes, it is a tab. And in case same page he will open in the laptop, CSS will track, yes, it's a laptop. Based on what? Based on screen size. Some certain range we have. From here mobile start and will go till here. From here tab size will start and will go till here. And from here laptop size start and go till here. Laptop size will not be 500 pixel width, or it will be. No. Mobile will not be 1500 pixel width, correct? So based on that size, we can decide, yes, what can be the device. It's kind of a if else. It's a kind of if else. Okay. Now let's see. So you have written one for body. It is for all the device. Okay. Now if you open in the large monitor, small monitor, any device you open, it will look like this. Everywhere sky blue, background will be sky blue. Okay. We are going to modify it. It will come down here. So hope we have written the comment /* and then /*. This is called multi-line comment. This is the comment you have to write in the CSS. Wherever you want to write some documentation, HTML comment will not work here. You have to write the CSS comment. Okay. Go ahead. Next, what we will do? We will write here @media screen and @media screen and @media. Okay, it is called media query. Media query start from where? @media. @media screen and you will write inside minimum width. Minimum width. Minimum width is 1 pixel and max width 600 pixel. So it is a condition. Okay, media screen and minimum width 1px and maximum width 600 px. That meaning 1 pixel to where? 600 pixel. It is checking The range is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel. Then what to do? The body tag will be there. For that, background keep as a orange color. And you can use here exclamation important also to set higher priority. Exclamation important also for what purpose? To set higher priority. Copy written, save the file. Now see how to implement it. Let's go ahead. See, by default, which color is coming? Sky blue, because the screen size is not between 600 pixel. Go here, you have a restore button, click on that and minimize the browser window. Minimize the browser window. Do like this. Check once. Once it come under the 600 range, is it orange or still sky blue only? If anyone is sky blue, please let me know.
The color is changing, sir.
Color is changing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Color is still blue color. Sir, it is blue color.
Blue color meaning you made some mistake here. I have to share this code. Before and after and space is required.
Okay, sir.
Before and after and space, and comment. If you are confused, you remove this. That comment.
Yes, sir, it is coming. It is coming, sir.
Comment also, if you are written in wrong way, it will give the below error. Working. Now
Okay.
increase the window size, decrease the window size. See, color is changing or not. 1 to 600, orange color. After 600, sky blue, default one. Let's copy this section again, come down. We are targeting for the 3 type of devices now. Okay, now 601 to 800. Background should be purple color. If someone will open your page and his screen size, window size is between 601 to 800, the screen background will come in the purple. 1 to 600 will come as a orange. 1 to 600 as a orange. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Maximize the screen.
Sir.
Little slowly. Increase and decrease. See, color is changing.
Yes, sir. Changing.
Yes, sir.
According to device, the color is changing. Color changing we have added just to test whether media query is getting apply or not. So media query is getting apply now. Now based on this, we can do something else. Okay. If anyone have error, send me the code body to body. This complete style to style, I'll guide you. If you have error, please share your style to style in the chat. I will guide you what can be the problem. No error then. Good. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now we will come inside the page. We'll remove this H1. Okay, or hold on. H1, let it be here. H1. What we want to do, this H1 should be visible. H1 should be visible if screen size is, or H1 should not be visible if it is the mobile phone. H1 should not be visible if it is the mobile phone. So display property you have seen. Display inline block, display none also. Now here we are going to apply the display none based on screen size. CSS is helping us to find out the window size of the user. Now we have to think what to do in which device and what not to do in which device. So requirement is H1 should not display if the device is a small one, mobile phone. So where is a small device? This is a small device area. Go here. After body, you can write H1 display display colon none. H1 display none. Exclamation important we can add to set higher priority and guarantee it should work. Reduce the window size, come under the orange block, see H1 is coming or not.
Working, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Can you share the code?
Working, sir.
Okay, happening display none. Display should convert as a
Yes, sir.
display. Another question. No problem. नो प्रॉब्लम, आप कभी भी शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं. इवन आज वो लोग गया है कि इंटरव्यू के लिए दूसरे कंपनी में टिल 12 o'clock आई थिंक दे विल बी बिजी. हाँ, आफ्टर 12 यू कैन फॉलो देम, नो प्रॉब्लम. हम लोगों ने मैसेज कर दिया ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, हाँ, ओके. Okay, sorry, so let's go ahead. See now, in a small device, which one is not there? If a person will open your page in the laptop, so many advertisements should come. Some should appear on the top, click here, this offer, that offer, here, there. But if the person will open in mobile phone, don't display any offer because your spaces is less. Page will get overlap. People will be confused, they'll close the page. So what we can use? We can use the media query easily. We can write one class, right? And we'll apply all the class for all the advertisement related options. And wherever we display, we put the same class and we'll write this line. If the device is a small device, then display all that, don't display any ad. And if the device is large device, all the ads should come, or maybe all the offers should come, or maybe some optional content should not display. Okay, that we can do. Okay, now come next. Go to your screen now, page now. Let's follow a class. Give the class equal to anything, container. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, add the hello, hello, hello many times. So written. Now let's go. See now what is happening. These divisions will appear many times in your page. So first for normal screen, like suppose a user will open the large screen. Let's design some layout for this division. So go there. Class we have follow container. Why? Because we wanted all should be similar, all should look same look. Go here in beginning completely, follow the class called container. After that, the height of the division 100 px, height of division 100 px, width of division not sure still. First write margin 1%, padding 1%, font icon size 30 px 40 px, x align center, check now. So background we have not added. Hold on. Background keep as a white color. Float should be left. Float should be left. And after that, what should be the width now? We want to keep 4 block in one line. Okay, we want to keep 4 block in one line. So if you want to keep 4 block in one line, total width should be 25%. Total width should be how much? 25%. Now minus margin 1% left, 1% right. Padding 1% left, 1% right. 4%, 2% margin and 2% padding. So it do minus 4. Remaining is 21%. So you will write here width as a 21%. Save the file, sequence. In one line, 4 blocks would appear. Check. Complete 4 block in one line. This text should come in the middle. Text is up, which I bring in the middle. So how to bring in the middle? How to bring in the middle? Any idea?
We align.
V align. Let me write. V align. It's not V align. It's vertical align. Vertical align. Middle. Vertical align middle. Vertical align. Check its work. Happening? Not happening. Or center, what is that? Center should not be there. Property is not working. Let me cut it. Look at here. Padding, how much you are given? 1%. Let it be left, right 1%. Top you increase. Top give somewhere 40 px. Left, right 1%. Bottom also 40 px. 40 px. This would be 1%. After that, height you should not give here. Not give height now. Before content, 40 pixel gap will be on the top. After content, 40 pixel gap will be in the bottom. Save now. Let us save once. See, it's coming in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. So after removing the height property, the height is going like it very small, like a strip type.
Give this padding 40 pixel
Yes, sir. Padding.
and then 40. Increase the font size also as a 40 pixel.
Okay, sir.
CSS, I share in your chat. You can use that. Required. Okay. Now after this is in the default device. That is the large device. Okay. This is happening in the large device. If device is very small, then how it should look? For example, if you go to the mobile phone, see in mobile phone also how many blocks are coming? 4 block. If you go little big size, also 4 block, and very big size, also 4 block. We need to control that. Okay, so let's come. So till here happening, right? Come down below to the mobile phone. In mobile phone, we will display total 2 blocks in one line. 2 block. Now to display 2 block, what should be the width? As of now, 4 block you are displaying. You have used the width how much? 21%. If you want to display 2 block, then what should be the width? 42. No, calculate like this. Total width is how much? 100%. 100% divided by 2, 50. 50 minus how much? 2% left and 2% right, 4%. So how much? 46 will come. 46 will come, no? Yes. So let's go here. So hope you understood how we calculated. Now suppose if it is the mobile phone, we want to display how many? Only 2. So still from beginning to last, the width is 100% only. In mobile phone also, the total width is 100%. In the large device also, width is 100%. Now suppose go here, if the width is 100%, and how many you want to display? Only 2 block. If you want to display 2 block, what will be the width? For 50 and 50. 50 should be the actual width, but here you can say you have given the margin, and here you are given the margin, correct? So it is going to consume 4% including margin and padding. So 50 minus 4 if we do, 46 will come. So the actual width for the container, take the container from here and add here dot container, and for that give the width how much? 46%. Exclamation important. Check now. Go to the mobile phone size. See how many? Only two. Only two are there.
Yes, sir.
In mobile phone, only two blocks should appear. Once it become little big size, purple, it should not display 4. It should display 3 now. Okay, let's go. Now what we will do for 3? 100 divided by 3, 33.33% minus 4%, 29.33%. So go to the medium device again and keep here 29.33%. 29.33%. Okay. Take now. In a small device, 2 block in one line. In medium device, 3 block in one line. And by default, 4 block in one line. It's here. So now 3 will come in one line. If you go in a small, 2 will come in one line. Very small, 2 will come. Medium, 3 will come. More than that, total 4 will come. So this is called what? This is called media query. This is called media query, where according to device, we can rearrange the content, we can hide the content, we can show the content based on a screen size, based on window size. Based on window size. Okay, go ahead. Next. Create next example now. Next example. Template 8.8 we have template 9. Create next file template 9.html.
ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಒಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕ್ಲ ಕೊಂಡಿ ಹಾಕ ಐದ ತಗೋಯ್.
Okay, go ahead. HTML head. Follow the body tag. H1 CSS library font awesome or icons. CSS library font awesome EWE font awesome for icon. Connect your system with internet. You have to download something from internet. So connected. Let's go ahead. Open a website. Fontawesome.com. Fontawesome.com. Link I share in your chat. Open fontawesome.com. After coming to the website, you will find everywhere icon, small designs. These designs are there. These icons. Come up. Okay. So you can see a button here. Start for free. Click on that. Start for free. Click on that. Okay. Hope you click start for free. You can see a button here called download. Let's click on that. Start for free, then click on download. In download page, free for web. The free pro is also paid and free. You can say simple. So we have option for free for web. Operate and clicked free for web. Simple font awesome.com/download and free for web. Free for web. You can click free for web. Free for web. Download is happening. Yeah, click on download. After downloading, so everyone have downloaded. Take this folder. Copy this folder and paste into your CSS folder anywhere. Better you can paste in the main folder only. So this library we can link online also directly. CDN, it's called a CDN. We can link directly and we can run it. But every time you need to have internet connection. Then only it will work. Now what we did, we downloaded the library. We will keep in our system. Without internet also it will work. Directly write the code and run in your system. No need of internet connection. So hope you downloaded. After downloading, you know already it is a zip folder. You cannot access directly. You have to extract it. Do the right click and extract here. Do the right click and do extract here. Okay, hope your folder extracted. Go inside the folder. You will see icon, JS, lace, metadata, and many other folders also. Correct? This is a folder structure. Now this folder is the main folder where all the libraries are exist. Icon related. 2000 plus icons you have free. You can use for multi-purpose. Now suppose if the folder name is such a big, it will become difficult to call the folder name every time. So we are going to rename this folder. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to rename this folder. Okay, we are going to rename this folder. Rename as an icon. Rename as an icon. right? Or we rename as a icon. Now our folder name is icon. This icon folder should have a combination like this: CSS, JS, metadata, and many more. Correct? So this icon folder, you require to copy from here and paste under your internal CSS. Icon folder, copy from there and paste under the internal CSS. So that icon will be within the folder. While calling, while using, you will not use so many paths, you will not do much mistake. Folder name is a small folder name. Easily we can call it and easily we can access it. Okay, so hope icon folder is ready. Anyone still doing or completed? You downloaded, you renamed, and after that, the icon folder you kept under the internal folder, and folder will have, this is the structure. What are CSS, JS, less? In that, all you don't read. We required only CSS and JS. CSS, in fact, only CSS, but it's a suite of the folder, so let it be together. Okay, now why we have downloaded this file folder and kept in our system? Because while creating the page, we wanted to display some icons in our project, and that icon can be anything. Let me show you. Can you see here? Free icons are how much? 2009. So whenever you want to find a icon, whenever you want to search a icon, what we will do? We will go to this page and click on icon. After clicking on icon, it will appear. Now we'll click on free one. After clicking on free one, it will show us so many icons. Okay, not so many, so many 100. Okay, let me show you now. Coming down, it's a loading. Look at here. Can you see these icons? The similar design we see on internet also. These all are not images. This is kind of a font. We use the font, no? Font family. This is also a font family. Font family name is Font Awesome. Okay, come down. You can see so many icons are there. Now this icon we can use inside our project easily without writing a single line of code. You don't need to design in Photoshop. It's a ready-made material in the market. Okay. Now see, what will happen is, assume if you want to display this bicycle in your project somewhere. So how to call this? We have seen in CSS how to call the class. Class. Yes, you know, not dot. Dot is to create the class. How to call the class? Class equal to class name. If you want to display bicycle icon, just we need to call this icon. Class equal to bicycle. But before that, for size, for something else, some more classes we have to call. Two classes we have to call together. Along with the second class, we call bicycle, it will give the bicycle icon. Okay. In that 2000, whichever the icon we want, we can display it inside our page. Okay. And it will be like, no need to write the code to design the icons, already ready. Just we need to call it, after that it will happen. Now let's come and we'll implement it. Okay, come to the page now. Let's go under the template 9 file. Link rel equal to a style set. We'll work on that. Why we are calling that a style set? We have discussed how many type of CSS we have. Total we have 4 type: inline, internal, external, and import. Inline you have seen. Internal we are into. Under internal only, we are going to call one external CSS file. The folder you have downloaded today, it is a CSS file. Now you are creating the HTML and CSS is written by someone else. So those CSS we are going to integrate with our HTML. So since the CSS file is separate and HTML file we created separate, now both has to link, then only output will come. Then you will ask, where is the CSS file? Okay, let me write here, you will come to know. Link rel. Link is the tag name. Rel defined. Afzal, he has requested, okay, at least let the Afzal to attend. Okay, क्योंकि उसने client से बात कर लिया है. He has sent the Google Meet 6:30. Okay, some attend कर लेते, no problem. Okay, and then for remaining people will say sorry, you look for it. Okay, so link rel equal to a style set. After that, link rel equal to a style set. Right here, href equal to, so rel what is defined? Rel define the type of file. What type of file you are going to link? Link is what? Link is the name of the tag. Using that, you are going to establish a link between HTML to CSS. While making a link, you are informing to the compiler saying like, the file I am going to call, their type is style set. Okay, and using href, what we do? We give the path. So using href, now we are going to give the path. Okay. So what is your folder name? You remember? Icon. Under icon, there is a folder called CSS. Under the CSS, there is a file called all.css. All.css. Link rel style set. href equal to icon CSS all.css. Now what will happen? Since it is the independent tag, you need to keep the slash in the last after double quote. I will share you this link in your chat. Okay, ready. Let's go ahead. Now check whether icon is working or not. Come here, write a label tag. Label, label. With the label tag, apply a class equal to FA. FA is the initial class. Using FA, what will happen? Font family will get assigned. Using FA, font family will get assigned, and using FA, some size will get assigned. What should be the size of the icon? So the first class is compulsory. If you are using the normal icon, FA class you have to use. If you are using any brand icon, then FAB you have to call. FA for what? Normal icon. Laptop, desktop, user, mobile, bus, truck, cloud, building, anything. So many are exist. Okay. So this day-to-day life you are going to call through the FA class. And if it is a brand name, like suppose Amazon, Flipkart, LinkedIn, Twitter, correct? Those are the college what? Brand name. Angular, React, Java. It's called a brand name. So for brand name, initial class should be FAB. What should be? FAB. Okay. The first one I'm talking. Second class should be the name of the icon. So what you want to display, you have to check in the website. Let me write here. FA hyphen, if you want to display the desktop. FA hyphen desktop. It should display you a small desktop icon if linking is proper. If linking is established proper, it will display you a small. Okay, getting any desktop icon? Yes, no should come in chat.
Yes, sir. Small desktop.
A small desktop, left corner it will appear.
Okay, sir.
Come next. Write one more icon. What you saw there? Bicycle. Right? The spelling, what will be the spelling? FA. BY. CICLE. Something else. Check once. You can check there.
BI, sir. BI.
Okay, BI. Okay, then CLE. Words we have not used since a long time, no? The question of what is the reason of forget? What is the reason of forget? So if you will not repeat, definitely you will forget. So we used to write float, int, char, dot length, align, center, here, there. So those are only what will be remembered. Okay. So hope you are getting a symbol of bicycle. Now to design that icon, how long time it will take? If suppose person will ask, okay, take the Photoshop and design that. 2-3 months will take to learn the Photoshop, and after that it will design bicycle also. Paddle will go somewhere else, handle will go somewhere else, right? So those icons are well tested by the expert people and well organized, work in all the browsers, correct? So in market, what you have since last 8 years you can say, okay, the job role is split into two parts. The people who are very interested in the graphics work, they should become a graphics designer. The people who are interested in the coding, they should not touch the graphic part. They should become a UI developer or full stack developer. Before 8-9 years, the work was together. When I was attending the interview, some interview people were asking, you know Photoshop also, you know the Corel Draw also. But when this Angular, React, jQuery become famous in the market, then work is split into two parts. Okay. Be specialized in one area. If you are okay with the designing work, go for the graphics designing. If you are okay with the which one? Development code, then go as a development code. Okay. Not mixed together. But in market, many places, what will happen? People will ask UI and UX. Okay, UI and UX. So UX is that same thing. What we are talking about? Graphics designing. There you have to take the tools, Photoshop, CorelDRAW and all, and you have to design the icons. You have to design the logos. You have to design the banner. Or you will work with any printing shop. You will get job there and they will give you design. You will leave the banner. Do you need to design that? UI developer means you will not get job in the printing shop. You will get the job in the development company where you have to write the code. Then who will design the photos? Definitely in the industry that the graphics designer also, whose job is especially to design the photo. Okay. This one, Adobe have experience manager, a tool. Using that, lot of company will design the layout, and that layout will be given to whom? UI developer. UI developer will take the photo and convert into HTML, CSS, and from there you convert into the Angular. Yeah, that's how market works. Okay. So these icons are ready-made material. You have not written from your side. So while implementing the icon, we should not go behind how it is working. Okay, how it is written. No, that is not your job to understand how it is written. Our job is how to use that. Okay, where to use and how to use. How to, we can say, change the color combination and what are the places we can apply, how to use that. Okay, let's come now. So we implemented which one? Icon. Now, while implementing the icon, there can be a scenario. Icon should be little big size. Icon should be little small size. Icon should be medium size, and icon should be different color combination also. Correct. So for sizes, different sizes, we have already class. Class is already exist that will help you to resize the icons. Okay. But for color combination, we don't have any class in that library. Let's come open that file and see. Which file? Go to the icon folder. The icon folder you have kept under the internal CSS. Go over there, icon folder. Under icon folder, you have a CSS folder. Go inside. Icon folder, CSS folder. Inside CSS folder, there is a file called all.css. All.css. Open that file. Open that file. Under the CSS folder, file called all.css. Open that file. After coming to all.css, you can see there is a class called FA. We have used FA class only, no? FA is a separate. Apart from that, there is a group of the classes. FA, FAS, FA, FAR, FA, regular, something, so many are there. Let's come down. Now, coming down, you can see there is a class called FA-1x. FA-1x. FA-1x is the name of the class. And what is the font size in that? 1 em. 1 em should be equal to 16 pixel. 1 em should be equal to 16 pixel. Okay. So what will happen? If you call the class FA-1x, the font size will be of 16 pixel. Coming down. If you call the class called FA-2x, the font size will be how much? Font size will be 32px. If you call the FA-3x, the font size will be 16 into 3. Coming down, go at the last, FA-10x, how much? 16 into 10, 160 pixel. Now depend on our requirement. How bigger icon you want to display? A small icon or such a large icon? Okay, let's come there. Which file? Template 9. By desktop is there, leave like that. After bicycle, write one more class, FA-5x. 5x. 16 into 5 should apply here. Sixteen into 5.
14, sir.
It becomes a big bicycle.
Yes, sir.
Keep one more bicycle. Write 6x, 7x, 8x, 9x, 10x. 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Save the file. You will find different size of icon will appear. Save now. Check once. Different size. In case if you want more than 10, we can write our own also. We can write font size 300 px and we can call there. So what will happen? Bicycle will be big font size. But they have made these classes up to 10x they have given, right? It might be if you call the big font size, maybe bicycle will look like blur. Bicycle, maybe the quality of the bicycle will look little blur or straight something. Okay, come down below. So how to call the icon? We have to write a tag name. We have to follow the class. Class equal to initial will be FA or FAB. After that, whichever the icon you want, we need to find out the name of the icon. And after that, we need to add here. And which size you want, 1x to 10x, your wish. Okay, come down. Most of the time on internet, you will find people use this tag. Which tag? I tag. I not related to icon. Okay, keep in mind. People use I tag. I don't know why they use. Okay, but even I have used I only. Today I given the first example based on what? Label. Okay, if I start with I, then you will think like I for icon. Because of that, we are using I. Not like that. Okay, you can use here I also. You can use here B also. You can use here U also. But most of the places in Bootstrap for label there is some CSS. Okay, for bold there will be some CSS. For italic there will be some CSS. Okay, most of the time for I people have not written the CSS. So people suggest use the I tag so that your icon will not affect by other CSS. Icon will be as a icon. Let's try one example through I and see how it is happening. You are also going to follow I only. Okay. Yes, we understood through label it's happening, but let's follow the market as well. Everyone follow the I tag. We will also follow I tag. But for example, so it's working with the label also. It is not necessary only I will work. Label will also work. Okay. Let me write here a desktop or maybe something. Suitcase. Coming suitcase, big font size using I tag also. Overall, we got idea on media query, how to write media query, and how to use the icon. Tomorrow we will move under the external CSS. There we will create separate file of HTML, separate file of CSS. Icon we will use, and we will design proper menu, navigation, submenu, and after that 6-7 pages will create, and then we'll see okay how external CSS work. Then you can compare the difference of internal CSS, external CSS, and inline CSS. Last will be import CSS. One example you will understand easily. External CSS, import CSS, both are similar. A small line of difference. While calling, the line is different, but the code wise both are same. Okay, so we spent some time. Now I will send you one photo. I will show you here only now. You will use the icon. You will write some CSS. You will try your level best. Okay. as a homework. Okay, take a quick photo of this, and this is your homework. You can see color combination. Icons are there. So where you will find the icon? In that website. Which website? fontawesome.com. We will go there, click on icon. First one is the plus icon, second is the check icon, third is the pencil, fourth is the not a star, something else. Fifth is the transport, sixth is the user, seventh is the suitcase, and the last is the it's called cogs, COGS, cogs. This is called cogs. This is called cogs, and this is called suitcase. This is called user. This is called transport. This is called check, pencil. This is something else. You can check it. Not a star exactly. And this is called plus. FA you will call everywhere FA plus FA check, FA pencil, FA activity or a star maybe. Next FA transport, FA user, FA suitcase, and FA cogs. Last is cogs, COGS. FA class equal to FA space FA hyphen cogs. Okay. So see
How
first
to change the color?
COGS. Per
How
color.
to change the color of the font?
Uh-huh.
How to change the color of the icon, sir?
First to design it, color I'll guide you.
Yeah, okay. Sir.
Take the structure, color is a simple work. We can create different classes, red, green, blue, orange, and we can call the, okay, that I will guide you, okay. Now, see,
Yeah, okay.
how many columns are there? 4 column. So total width divided by 4, 25%. There is a margin also, there is a padding also. Background is the gray color, correct? Each icon background is which color? Gray color. Any color use, your wish, no problem, okay. After that, within each container, you can say the content is in the middle, right? It's in the middle. You will use which one? Text align, center. And after that, let's design it, see how it is. You have to spend 1 hour time mostly. Okay, we'll guide you tomorrow again. External CSS. Do that and share me the photo in WhatsApp.
Thank you, sir.